Hi everybody, finally I got the Internet Archive. Because I've been waiting to download the Snow Leopard, try to install it on the macOS in VMware. The design they intend is the interleave technology. You can download it here. Download Snow Leopard. See, and it goes like that. Because it's in the archive. But anyway, in the evolution of time, it would transcode the system. The system is PG8921. For the board of the fifth moon, it may request the pyramid table for the sun. But in the sun, the reworking material will transcript itself into the division. The division for the completion is AG0921. By the board of the fifth moon, it may request the pyramid table. In time, the working partition will generate 243, which may request the Soho to preview the data by e-selecting the internal frame. The internal frame from the mothership, based upon the best regard, it is the subsidy of the timer, and to play out the working material. The working material to transcript itself into the fifth moon may be the boss of AGF9. In so, the division for the completion is 8389 to the board of the fifth moon. In so, it may be the learning program. The isolation is 3431 by the third round, and to preview the data by e-selecting the internal frame. The internal frame, it still doesn't work. Oh well, never mind. Okay, I probably won't try to install the old software. This one should work. Okay, let's try it again. No, it still does not work. Oh well, never mind. Thank you.